Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Asih Yuliana Dewi. I want to presentation my article review. So this is my PowerPoint. The title is Use of Learning Methods in Improving Student Learning Outcome. Student learning outcome are one of the goals of the school education process, so teachers need to understand, study, and use different teaching methods in the classroom to ensure outstanding student perform. Teachers must use the teaching method required in the classroom learning process to teach and learn from students. Teachers need to develop strategies so that students can learn effectively while achieving expected goals. To ensure a quality learning process, teachers need a method. Therefore, teachers must be able to use teaching methods that are in accordance with student characteristics. It can be said that a high-quality educational process can guarantee high-quality student learning outcome. To create a quality teaching process, teachers must be able to apply teaching methods that are in accordance with the need in the classroom. If inconsistencies occurs, the teaching method used will be reduce the quality of the teaching process itself. Therefore, teaching can improve and improve student learning outcome touch a previous teaching method. Therefore, in this study, we want to understand and analyze the use of teaching method. Teaching is done to increase of effect of student learning in school. This study used Quarantine's method to measure the impact of teaching method used by teaching on improved student learning outcome. The survey was conducted at the Madrasah Sanawiyah Negeri Jakarta Selatan, DKI Jakarta, Indonesia. Totaling 340 sampel in 2015 or 2016 consistent of 100 Madrasah Sanawiyah Negeri teacher. This sample is based on the opinion of gay and Irasian that a sample of 10 people is enough to be reacted. Analysis of this research data using descriptive and logical analysis through correlative analysis. Using a Likert measurement scale, collecting research data through a questionnaire survey. The teaching method consists of several methods, namely reading method, experimental method, skill teaching method, discussion method, problem solving method, and design method. So the main objective of suitable teaching method is to create a learning environment in which learning can learn actively and happily and can positively influence the best learning outcome and perform. Teacher use teaching method to introduce teaching material to student individual or in group so that student can absorb, understand to teaching material correctly. In using teaching method in school refer to Permendiknas. Research has found that teaching methods have an impact on improving student performance. When teaching in school, teaching can use a variety of teaching method according to student needs. In school, teaching can use the dakwah method, the experimental method, the discussion method, and the problem-solving method, design method. This teaching method has a strong and moderate impact on improving student performance. In general, this teaching method provides various benefits for teaching and school students. Most importantly, teaching must be able to use teaching method. Various teaching methods that can be used by teaching will simplify and improve the quality of teaching. The process itself is based on the formulative of the teaching method itself, which involves learning objective, learning milestones, learning environment, and classroom management. Student achievement can be improved by good learning methods. The method is based on students with different goal, condition, types, and function, time and place, and maturity. Effective teaching methods are related to the teacher's understanding of the environment for student growth and development in the classroom. Therefore, teachers are expected to develop teacher creativity, apply and develop various forms of learning method to improve student thinking and analytical skill as well as higher education learning outcome. The use of appropriate teaching method to the need of student can equip student with conceptual understanding skill and good teaching material so that they can improve student abilities and develop student school skill and student academic attitude, improve student learning outcome are clear evidence of the teacher ability to get to the learning process. The ability of teacher to use teaching method in the teaching process attests to this. The learning process and teaching, understand and skill when use approach teaching method. And this is my referensi. So thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.